Someday I wish upon the sun, wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where trouble melts like raindrops high above the chimney top is where you find me. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and in dreams with you there too. Why can't I? Well, I see trees of green and red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and I see clouds of white, the brightness of day. I like the dark and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we alone. I think to myself,